Hello everyone, Miss Carrie here from Miss Carrie's Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to organize your saved projects in Cricut Design Space. These 5-minute Cricut classes are designed for those of you who only have 5 minutes to learn how to use your Cricut. Let's head into Cricut Design Space and take a look at project collections. When you save a project, your project is saved to My Projects. You can view these saved items by clicking on My Projects in the upper right corner of the screen. As you create more and more projects in Design Space, you're going to need a way to organize those projects. That's where project collections come in handy. Think of these like file folders in a project file box. You can create files for the types of projects you've saved, making it much easier to locate them when you want to use them later. In my Cricut Basics course, I teach you how to edit, share, and label projects. Today, we're just going to take a look at collections. Here on the desktop, you're going to see a list of My Collections on the left side of the screen. With the Cricut Access subscription, you can create as many collections as you wish. If you don't have Cricut Access, you can still use the collections feature. You're just limited to 5 collections, which is plenty to work with when you're organizing your projects. To organize projects in a collection, click on the Organize button at the top of the screen. Select all of the projects you want placed in one of your collections. If you have not created a collection yet, that's okay. We'll create a new collection here in a minute. After you have selected all of the projects you want to move to one collection, click on Next. A window will pop up with a list of the collections you've already created and give you an option to create a new collection. Let's go ahead and create a new collection so that you can see how this is done. To create your new collection, click on the plus sign next to the words New Collection. In the box, type a name for your collection, then click on Create. You're going to see a little checkbox next to that new collection you just created. The checkbox is selected, which means that the projects you have chosen will be moved to that collection. Now, the great part about this feature is that you can save projects into multiple collections. Depending on how your filing system works or how you like to organize things, you can place projects in the files or collections that work for you. Once you have selected all the collections you want to move the projects to, click on Done. All right, let's take a look at that new collections folder we just created. On the left side of the screen, you're going to see a list of all the collections you have created. When you click on that new collection we just made, you're going to see all the projects that we moved to that collection. Over on the left side of the screen, you can also add another new collection, and you can edit collection names or delete a collection. To create a new collection on this screen, click on the plus sign next to New. If you want to edit the name of a collection, just click on that little pencil icon next to the name and you can rename the collection. If you wish to delete a collection, you can click on the little trash can icon to delete that collection. Now, deleting a collection will not delete the projects. It just removes the collection from your list. All right, there is your 5-minute Cricut class. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I do have more 5-minute Cricut classes available for you to watch. If you would like to gain more confidence with your Cricut, use that coupon code in the description below to save on my Cricut Basics course. I hope that you have a wonderful week, and I can't wait to see what you create.